Most iPhone users don't know this. Your iPhone still allows a 4-digit passcode. If you're tired of typing 6 numbers every time, don't skip. This takes under 30 seconds and works on any iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you exactly how to change your iPhone's 6-digit passcode to a 4-digit passcode. Step by step, no confusion, no skipped parts. Let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open Settings. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode, or Touch ID and Passcode, depending on your iPhone. Now, enter your current 6-digit passcode. Scroll down and tap on Change Passcode. Your iPhone will ask again. Enter your old 6-digit passcode one more time. Here's the important part. Tap Passcode Options. Select 4-digit numeric code. Now, enter your new 4-digit passcode. Quick reminder, a 4-digit passcode is easier and faster, but a 6-digit passcode is more secure. Choose what works best for you. Re-enter the same 4-digit passcode to confirm. And that's it. Your iPhone is now set to a 4-digit passcode. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and fixes, and comment below if you want tutorials like this for iOS settings, Face ID, or security features. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.